Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color an excavator. An excavator is a big, strong machine that helps dig in the ground. Has a long arm and a big bucket like a scoop.
The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus.
Let's draw the light.
Swish, all through the town.
Now I'm drawing the wheels of the excavator.
The wheels on the bus.
And finally, I'm drawing the second bucket. Do you love to play with toy excavators? Let's color our excavator. Red, brown, green, red, pink, red, green, light blue, purple, orange, red, purple, yellow, green, pink, green, red, wow, it looks amazing. Great job, little artists. I love drawing and coloring. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.